To use Afterpay on Expedia, start by visiting the Expedia website and searching for your desired travel dates and destination. Once you have found your preferred flight, hotel, or package, proceed to the payment page. On the payment page, you will see a list of available payment options, including Afterpay. Select Afterpay as your payment method and you will be redirected to the Afterpay website to complete your payment. You will need to create an Afterpay account or log in to your existing account to proceed. Afterpay will then prompt you to enter your payment details, including your credit or debit card information. Afterpay will split your payment into 4 equal installments, due every 2 weeks. You will not be charged any interest, but late fees may apply if you miss a payment. Once you have completed the Afterpay payment process, you will be redirected back to the Expedia website to confirm your booking. You will receive a confirmation email from Expedia with your travel details and a payment schedule. From Afterpay, it is essential to review the terms and conditions of Afterpay before completing your payment, including any fees or charges that may apply. You should also ensure that you have sufficient funds available to make each installment payment on time. Using Afterpay on Expedia can be a convenient and affordable way to book your travel, allowing you to pay for your trip in installments rather than all at once. By following these steps and understanding the terms and conditions of Afterpay, you can use this payment method with confidence and enjoy a stress-free travel experience. It is crucial to note that Afterpay is only available for certain bookings and destinations, so it is essential to check the Expedia website for eligibility before proceeding. Additionally, some travel bookings may require a deposit or upfront payment, which cannot be paid using Afterpay. By being aware of these details and using Afterpay responsibly, you can take advantage of this payment option and enjoy a convenient and flexible way to book your travel on Expedia.